Good day everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about the basic, core, and elective competency. By the way, I am Amado Pinka Alcaide III, third year Betalet Home Economics student, and I am the first discussant in this group. So before we start, let us first define what is competency is. Competency is the capability to apply or use the set of related knowledge, skills, and abilities required to successfully perform critical work functions or tasks in a defined work setting. Basic competency. Basic competency is the ability to achieve the core competencies that must be obtained by students through learning. Basic competency is a number of abilities that should be controlled learners in a certain subject or as a reference for the preparation of competency indicator in a lesson. One of the unit of basic competency is to lead workplace communication. Communication in the workplace is important because it boosts employee morale, engagement, productivity, and satisfaction. Communication is also the key for better team collaboration and cooperation. Ultimately, effective workplace communication helps drive better results for individual teams and organizations. Another unit of basic competency is to apply math and science principle in technical learning. This unit covers the outcome required to integrate math and science concepts in the content and delivery of technical training programs and to motivate trainees in learning and apply such concept in the workplace.
Good day everyone, I am Jonathan Ibasco Carillas. Today, I'm gonna be discussing the continuation of the unit of basic competency. So, in addition to the unit of basic competency, we had the utilize IT applications and technical training. So, under this unit of competency, it covers the knowledge, skills, attitude required to utilize IT applications in training. So, specifically, it covers setting up of work environment, utilization of word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, application, and utilization of internet to communicate and gather or collect information by means of utilizing the different kinds of technology. Next unit of competency is lead small teams. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude to lead small teams, including setting and maintaining team and individual performance standards. So managing a team can sometimes be tricky. Team performance, its overall success and productivity usually depends on how successful the team leader can manage his team. There's no doubt that great managers must also be great leaders. Some people say that leadership is like beauty, hard to define, but you know it when you see it. So the next unit of competency is apply work ethics, values, and quality principles. This unit covers the outcomes required in demonstrating and living out desirable work ethics, values, and principles in the workplace and training environment. So an organization that is perceived to act ethically by employees can realize positive benefits and improve business outcomes. The perception of ethical behavior can increase employee performance, job satisfaction, organizational commitment, trust, and organizational citizenship behaviors.
Good day everyone, I am Jean Grande de la Cruz and I will be the one to discuss about core competencies. Core competencies are sets of intellectual, personal, and social and emotional proficiencies that all students need in order to engage in deep lifelong learning. Let's proceed to the unit of core competencies. First is the training needs analysis, also known as the training needs assessment, used to determine the desired knowledge, skills, and abilities of every student. Second is the training curriculum. Training curriculum is a comprehensive set of learning objectives, content, materials, and methods for evaluating participant attainment of the training goals. Training materials are items used during the training and can comprise or accompany various features of a training.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Lady Ann L. Galiega. I will discuss the continuation of the core competencies which discussed by Jinky de la Cruz. The third competencies is the develop learning materials. The purpose of developing learning materials is to make lessons interesting, learning easy, and enable teachers to easily express concepts. Learning materials can significantly increase learners' achievement by supporting learning. Thus, core competencies are developed when an individual engages in particular skills that support educational curriculums. Effective development and ongoing learning has to have an involvement of both the learner and individuals that support the learners. So next is the develop competency assessment tools. A competency-based assessment tools is a software or paper-based process for assessing a person's level of competence and identifying development needs. These tools can range from basic self-assessment questionnaires to sophisticated software that can, amongst other things, identify gaps in competence across a group of people.
Good day everyone. By the way, I am Pahantoy Disa Barujabo, and today I will continue the discussion regarding the core competency. Under the unit of core competency is design and develop maintenance systems. This unit covers the skills and attitudes required to design and develop maintenance system applicable to diverse training facilities. It includes verifying maintenance requirements, researching and planning for facility and equipment maintenance, establishing of maintenance system, developing maintenance procedure, researches and plan facility and equipment maintenance, and establish system for audit and review of the systems and equipment. An effective maintenance management system ensures consistent best practices that improve the overall performance and safety of the equipment. Design for maintainability emphasizes the importance of timely integration of design and construction knowledge with operations and maintenance experiences into project designs. Another unit of core competency is develop learning materials for e-learning. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude required to develop e-learning resources to support a-based learning mode. Specifically, it covers planning, development, and testing of digitally formatted learning materials. The effectiveness of the transferred or imparted knowledge and learning is high and powerful. It makes information easy to grasp and absorb.
Good day, everyone. Before I discuss what I've learned in elective competency, I would like first to introduce myself. I am Jasmine Olivas Putot, a third-year Beta Lead HE student. So when we say elective competency, it is additional competency which is useful but not absolutely. So in elective competency, it has one unit which is the facilitate development of competency standards. This unit covers the outcomes required to facilitate the development of competency standards for particular work functions and related vocational outcomes. In this unit, it is facilitate an action or process, especially on what you would like to happen. But overall, elective competency is an optional and not required, but it is very useful. That would be all. Thank you.